Math Gals with A and T. Today we will be discussing how to find the derivative using the power rule. The definition of the derivative is if n is a real number, then the derivative of x to the n equals n times x to the n minus 1. So, example 1. F of x equals x to the 6. So you're going to multiply by the current exponent, which will be n, and in this case 6. So you get 6x to the 6 minus 1, which it can simplify to 6 to the x to the 5th. 6x to the 5th. Example 2. F of x equals x squared plus 2x cubed plus 3x to the 4th. So you multiply by the exponent and you get 2x to the 2 minus 1. 3 times 2 will be 6, so 6x to the 3 minus 1. 4 times 3 equals 12, so that's 12x to the 4 minus 1. And once you simplify the exponents part, you would get 2x plus 6x squared plus 12x cubed for the derivative. Now for example 3. We have the cube root of x, which can also be written as x to the 1/3. So we're going to, since after we convert it from the square root to the 1/3, we bring the power, right, multiply it in the front, so then you get 1/3 x, and then you do 1/3 minus 1, and you'll get negative 2/3. Now let's try a challenge problem. F of x equals 2 over 3x minus 9x to the negative 3. So for this one, we also have to convert the denominator. So if it's 3x, that's the same as 3x to the negative 1. So for another way to write 2 over 3x minus 9x to the negative 3 is 2/3 x to the negative 1 minus 9x to the negative 3. So once we do that, we go back to what we learned in our first step, and we multiply the exponent and get negative 2/3 x minus 1, x to the negative 1 minus 1, plus negative 9 times negative 3, which is positive 27. So you make sure you change that to a plus. X to the negative 3 minus 1. So in other words, our final answer will be negative 2/3 x minus x to the negative x squared next to the negative 2 plus 27x to the negative 4th.